Hello, soulful Scorpios. The tarot card that we've drawn for you is the Ten of Cups. Picture a family scene, joyful and complete. Yet, there is depth beyond the smiles. A sense that true emotional fulfillment comes not from appearances, but from what truly feels aligned in your heart. This card shows harmony, but it asks Scorpio to notice what genuinely resonates versus what feels comfortable to maintain. In love, this is about emotional alignment. You may find yourself asking, is this relationship nurturing my soul, or am I just keeping up the appearances? Genuine contentment comes from honesty and presence, not from obligations or habit. In career, the Ten of Cups encourages collaboration that feels meaningful. Projects or partnerships that honor shared values will flourish. Those that demand compromise of your integrity will feel hollow, no matter how successful they look from the outside. For an overall well-being, this card invites reflection. Are your daily choices supporting your emotional harmony? True fulfillment is steady, not dramatic. It is not about building comfort, stability, and safety inside and around you, and knowing when to release what no longer serves. What helps now is aligning with what actually brings joy rather than what looks ideal. What doesn't help is maintaining harmony at the cost of your own emotional truth. At its core, this card says, real happiness settles quietly. If it feels forced, it is not yours to hold, my dear. Sit with this message, Scorpio, and if you wish to explore the message for the other zodiac signs, I recommend checking out their forecast as well.